Hey guys, welcome to today's video. This is just going to be a quick tutorial showing you how I achieved this holiday glam eye look. It's been a minute since I've done any type of glam, and Christmas is only 31 days away, so I'm feeling super festive. So I thought I would do this glam look today. And this is going to be featuring this month's boxy charm, which was probably my favorite box yet. Just saying, and that's probably because of this palette right here, which is from Ace Beauty, which is what I'm going to be using today. So for the eye look, it's going to be really bold and dramatic, and we are going to be keeping the colors really tight to the crease. We're not going to be blowing it out because we want it to be more kind of a dense eye look. It's not going to be like soft and diffused. It's going to be more dramatic and like snug to the crease. So as you can see, I first went in with that brown shade into my crease. And now I am taking this red shade with these luxie brushes that were included in this month's box, which I was really stoked about because they are really tiny detailed brushes, which was really helpful for this look. And then next I went in with that burgundy shade from the palette and I hugged that even tighter into the crease. So we're not going to be blending this out much at all. We're going to keep it really tight to the natural socket of the eye. And then you can take a little bit more of the brown and diffuse the edge out just a bit if it's getting a little bit too harsh. So I'm just building this up until it's as dark as I want it and has enough, and oh my gosh, I can't talk today, has enough depth to it. And as you can see here, we left that little space on the lid blank. And that's because we're going to be placing this champagne color right there just to give the eye a nice pop and contrast against the dark red. These luxie brushes are great, by the way. I was super impressed with them. And then next, take any wine colored eyeliner. I'm putting that on my waterline and smoking that onto my lower lashes a bit. And then taking another luxie brush, I'm taking more of that burgundy shadow and I'm going to be smoking that out just a touch. And then after that, I went in with more of that warm brown just to diffuse the edge of that a little bit so it's a little bit softer. Next, in that open space that we left for the champagne color, I'm going to be taking a little bit of a glitter glue and popping this glitter on top. This is a liquid metal from Lit Cosmetics. It's kind of like a mix between a pigment and a glitter because it's not super chunky, but it has a really, really nice shine and a nice texture to it, and I feel like it's perfect for a holiday look. Next in the box was this black eyeliner. I just used it to tightline, and my eye is going a little bit crazy here. Don't mind that. And then next I'm just going in with a liquid liner on the top of my eye. And this is just going to help because we are going in with false lashes. So this is just going to help to hide the band. Next, just quickly throw on some mascara. And then these were the next thing included in the box, lashaholic lashes in the style Instaglam. I really like these for the look because they weren't too dense and too dramatic. They still really let the eye makeup show through. I chose to go for a dark lip. I will have all the products I used down below. And last but not least, I went in with these glitter drops from Cover FX, which are a really nice multi-use product. You can mix them in with your foundation or use them on the high points of your face like I did here, just to add a really nice glow and a nice highlight. And this is the completed look. Let me know if you guys want any more holiday tutorials, and I can definitely do more for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!